Hi, in this video, I'll be doing a surface marking of the knee. To start the surface marking, we need to make sure the leg is in the extension position so it can be relaxed and it's easier for us to find the patella bone. By using the tip of our thumb, we can just find the three edges of the patella, and then we just need to link the point of each edges together, so that is where our patella. At the same time, you can just need to glide it side to side to see where the patella is. Okay, for the next structure, we need to make sure that the leg is in the flexion position, so it's easier for us to palpate the other structure. So we'll be starting to palpate the joint of the knee. Okay, for the next structure, we'll be doing the joint line. So for this structure, it's actually the line which separated the femur and the tibia. So the one that I'm palpating just now is the tibia, the proximal end of the tibia and the distal end of the femur. So this joint line, it's run all the way through the knee. Okay, for the next part, we will try to identify this one bony prominence known as tibial tuberosity. Okay, so this is where the tibial tuberosity is. So for the next part, I'll be sliding my finger through the joint line to the lateral side, and we'll find this one bony prominence known as head of fibula. We'll move on to the ligaments, so we'll try to find the LCL, which attach the fibula and crosses the joint line. And the second ligament that can be palpated is the medial cruciate ligaments, which can be palpated through the joint line, and it's located between the tibial and the femur. Next, we'll try to find the patella tendon, which connect the patella and the tibial tuberosity. This can be palpated in the middle of the joint line. Okay, so we'll move on to the muscle part for the quadricep or the thigh. So quadricep consists of 4 muscles, and only 3 can be palpated. So this is a 3 muscle, and so the leg needs to be in full extension for us to see the buffing. So that is where the rectus femoris is, and the lateral side is the vastus lateralis, and the middle side is the vastus medialis. Okay, next we'll move on to the posterior part of the leg, which is the hamstring muscle. So for us to identify the hamstring muscle, we need to make sure the leg is in a flexion position with some resistance on it, so it will form these 2 tendons. Okay, so these 2 tendons later will form the 3 muscles of the hamstring. So as you can see right here, on the lateral side, it's where our bicep femoris is, and on the medial side, there's 2 muscles, which is semitendinosus, and another one is semimembranosus.